mfowethu
la baba
uyazi ukuthi uhulumeni uyabona uhulumeni kodwa mfowethu uyabheda phela uhulumeni wanikeza abantu besifazana amalungelo thina bantu besilisa asinamalungelo thina
kanjani mfethu amalungelo nanini nawo
yasinawo amalungelo thina abantu besilisa
kanjani
amalungelo
phela mfethu andithi ukuthwana lento ukuthwana into human rights kuthiwa wonke umuntu unelungelo
lalela wena i-human's right amalungelo ethu sonke njengoba singabantu sihlangene lalela-ke kukhona i-humans kukhona i-citizens kukhona i-womens wake wayibona-ke wena i-men's right ayikho i-men's right mfowethu angiyakubalela
kodwa nithi phela manje kokuphela ndiyakuva
i-humans i-men's ayikho
angithi wena bakufake pha ku-humans
nabo laba lezi ingane laba besifazane bakhona kule humans kodwa wena awukho ku-children's awukho
okushuthina kahle kahle ama-right wethu yilawa nabo abanawo kodwa lawa wabo asinawo thina
bona banawabo aqondene nabo-ke
angilento nditsho ndithi thina lawo esinawo banawo ngoba phela humans kanti lawa banawo bona thina sinawo
uyazi-ke thina sinawo thina wobona ngani kuthiwa ku-humans you have a right to a shelter as a human
you have a right to eat
kodwa mase ndivoza le shelter le iyajika thiwa ithathwe i-woman
kuthiwe you have a right
kuthiwe you have a right to eat kodwa ma unale ngane ne-humans uwe kufanele ulethele eat
ngishaya masekuphi but you have a right to live kodwa maseyibuya kodwa masebuze bathi stop killing women and children ngekubulawe bani
yizwa ke mfowethu basho kanjalo bathi thina sinelungelo sonke sinelungelo lokuphila kodwa ningasekufika
abantwana
bathi musani ukubulala abantwana nomama shuthi obani kumele bebulawe yithi singabalwa kungathiwa musani ukubulala abantu besifazane nabesilisa nengane ngoba nathi akufanelanga sife shuthi thina nala malungelo ethu asinawo
asinawo awekho mntu kamkhulu kwawona
asibalwa phela thina thiwa
nenyanga asinayo ukubonisa ukuthi amalungelo asinawo nyani njengoba
kune-women's month wawayibona wena i-men's month kuhlula lalela kuhlula angithi kubone uma kuyi-women's day kuba yi-holiday phela abantu behlale phansi bengayi emsebenzini kuhlula ngisho sekuthiwa i-Father's Day
phela yikho i-Men's Day i-Father's Day ukhumbula ukuthi ikhona abesilisa kodwa yabanye
buka-ke i-Father's Day nayo abantu basuke besebenza into ekukhulunywa nje ngayo nje kuma-social media khona futhi abangenay'ngane phela
ababala lapha
nale Father's Day abantu besifazane bayayithatha
nabo omunye usuka abhala
bathi I'm a mother to my kids hey kushuthi athi umuntu happy Father's Day to myself thina sinani yahlala
hayi kahle kahle mfethu thina andathi noshuthi into yethu ukuthi thina siphile sibondle
nakhona kuloko kuphila ngathi ubona siyancikisela
i-right
kwakhona
ilungelo lethu ukuthi sinikeze abantu besifazane